Alright, today we're changing the Serpentine belt on my wife's 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage. It shouldn't make a difference, but it's a manual transmission. It's a really straightforward job. Let's kind of jump right in. The first thing you need to do is get your Serpentine belt right here. And you're going to need to find your alternator and unscrew or unbolt this bolt here, and then loosen this one as much as possible. That's going to allow your alternator here to slide back in that notch and put slack on your belt like I have already. And then the next bolt you need to find is down in here, if I can get a good shot. Bottom bolt on the alternator, right, finger on it, right there. Focus, right there. That's a 14. Go ahead and unbolt that one as well, not all the way, just loosen it up, and then I'll give you the play you need to move this thing out of the way and slide it down. Normally, cars have a sticker that kind of shows you the routing of the belt. This one didn't have one, so I'm kind of drawing it up just in case you didn't pay attention when you pulled it off. But your alternator, right up here, down here you get your crank and your power steering, and it kind of follows that general path. Something to notice is that this car actually doesn't have a tensioner anywhere. The tensioner is this bolt, so you don't have to have a 3/8 drive ratchet to stick on anything. It just loosens up that one bolt. Modern belts don't wear the same way the old belts did. Back in the day, you'd see a lot of cracks and, like, bits of missing rib. But modern belts are so much nicer, they don't really do that anymore. But if you look at this from the side, you'll see those grooves. The old belt here by my thumb are really, really deep, and you see kind of that browning of the belt. But those super deep grooves, compared to this belt, are kind of what make it squeal. It just gets less contact with the surface area of the pulley because the pulley's little notches don't actually touch the back of the belt anymore. Alright, so we've got the belt on there. Went ahead and tightened on our tensioning bolt right here. How tight this needs to be. Some people say if you twist the belt and it goes about, just short of 90, then that's tight. I don't know about all that. What I do know is this belt was a little loose from factory, and right here on the threads, they're really clean where this, had protected them. So I just got it right back to where it was, day one. And if it wants to squeal from that, I'll tighten it later on down the road. But for now, I'm gonna leave it at factory tension. Thanks for watching.